So today we're at the Kek Look Tong Temple in Ipoh, which means the temple of ultimate bliss or great happiness. And apparently that's exactly what it is. We've heard that there is a river in there, there's obviously the temple and lots of things to see and do. So yeah, really excited to go and explore. So let's go and have a look. $9.39. Do look.
No, just no.
I like the colour of it.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's like bronze. Well, not, I don't know, like a lighter bronze, isn't it?
Oh look, there's like people who've put coins like resting here. Oh, there's one wedged in right there.
Maybe it's like Make-A-Wish or something.
Should we put one?
Yeah.
And then someone can find it.
Where are we going to put ours? Let's find a... Oh, what about in this little hole?
Could do.
Put it in there.
I was thinking like somewhere difficult to find, like up here. Okay, it's in there.
Oh, so you've put it in and it's fallen in.
This one. There we go. It's just
You can
here.
actually see it glistening on here.
Yeah. I love how there's just so much going on already in this temple. Already there's like loads of little different statues and little areas to explore. And we've only just gotten inside. This is so cool though, isn't it? Like there's just like rocks which are just built around.
Yeah.
Like, the steps are built around the rocks.
Oh, these steps
You like that?
are... They're quite big, aren't they? They're almost like slanted backwards. Oh, there's a nice little breeze here though. Oh wow, you have to like bend down to get under there. Look, it's gonna get to a point, surely.
And it's difficult, being like 6'10", it's just like, after duck enough as it is. Are you meant to be going in there?
I just... how far I can get.
You alright? Oh, no sleeping. Where are you meant to sleep?
Damn, I was about to have a little nap then.
Oh. Oh, that's so cool. It's like a big lion statue. Oh, look at all the like little mini Buddhas around that one.
Yeah, and
know
is
if
that
they're
like
Buddhas.
a big lotus flower?
Yeah, I think so.
Sitting in. Oh, look at how creepy that looks up there. The gate over it.
Oh yeah. Looks like some like monster's gonna be held behind it or something. In Star Wars, there's a pit with like this big old monster in it, which Jabba the Hutt puts people into.
Are you really talking about Star Wars?
Yeah, because it looks like a giant pit from it.
Imagine being in here at night.
Oh
with
no.
just like a few people.
Imagine with only flashlights.
Yeah. Imagine how cool that would be. A giant game of manhunt or hide and seek or something.
That ain't for me.
Oh, I thought you could walk up there. I saw
no,
the
it does
steps.
look like steps, doesn't it?
And I was like, oh, we can go up there, but you can't. This is the lake.
Oh yeah.
This is the one that they said about. What I read was that there was a river within the temple, like within the cave, that you could get a pedalo.
What?
So where's that? Unless it's like maybe down there or something.
Look at all the statues there that you walk past. That's so cool. I don't think it will ever cease to amaze me, just all of the mountains and how pretty it can be.
Yeah, when I think about some of the temples we've been to, I feel like you can never get bored of them because, especially like when you go to ones in different places, you see how like different they can be. Even though it's the same religion, every time we go somewhere new, it's a little bit different. The way they present it and the surroundings and everything make it so unique. It's a reflexology path.
Oh, should we have a little walk? Oh. Okay. It's getting a bit worse. I don't know how this is meant to be helping, it's just paining my feet. My word. My feet better feel brand new after this or else. That kid's just walked past, he's like not phased at all. I don't know if my feet feel any better or worse for that. They actually kill.
Well, reflexology is meant to target different parts of your body based on where you press on your foot.
Right.
Kate used to do reflexology, that's the only reason I know this. Oh, they've got little, like the double bicycle
Rickshaws.
things. We got them in Lanzarote.
And then they've also got pedalos here, which is so cool.
Yeah, I'm really excited to do the pedalo.
Oh, yeah.
Two-person boat. 12 ringos.
12 ringos.
30 minutes. That's real good.
We've got a small boat, so we're being allowed on
Nice. We just
first.
walk to the front
I know.
because there's only got 2 people.
Thank you.
Please control RCL right center left.
Right, centre, left. Okay. I think we're a bit stuck. I'm trying to turn left, there's no reverse.
There.
Oh, wait. Just pedal backwards, isn't it?
Oh, it's embarrassing.
I'm an idiot. Looks like we've come to the dead end.
I wonder if you used to be able to go down there and maybe you're not
Yeah,
allowed anymore
probably.
for some reason. It's a shame.
I really want to just go full pelt bump into someone and just like bumper cars.
Yeah, it does remind me.
Which I do.
I've got no idea what I'm literally just like this. It's like changing gear.
Yeah,
Don't have to do that either.
Come on. Yeah, true.
Left, left, left.
No, don't do it.
Okay, alright, backwards. It's alright, I've got this.
Oh, it's all been
So now if I go this way,
Nice.
forward. Come on.
No,
And now left a bit.
Left.
Not too much. Don't want to crash
Oh,
into
no.
them.
Uh-oh. No, it's too much.
It's alright, it's alright.
Oh.
Oh. Left. Oh, I'm going to just get this straight back to where it needs to be. Don't you
You're
worry.
going to dock it up perfectly.
Yeah. Pretty impressive. That was
job.
pretty good. Right, after all that exercise, I think we need to get some lunch.
Yeah, I'm starving. We're off on the search for food.
I found a restaurant 10-minute walk away, so
Yeah.
hopefully that won't be too bad in the heat.
Yeah, we got our F&N grape.
Love a bit of grape these days.
Yeah. Well, I really like that temple. As you said earlier, it was unique, especially compared to some of the other temples we've been to before.
Yeah, I like the fact it had the big park at the back. I feel like we've not really seen that before in a temple.
Lunchtime, I think this is like nasi kandar. So we've got some like curry chicken with rice. It's actually pretty good, but it is a bit spicy.
I've just kind of taken off the rice and a little bit of sauce and some chicken.
A bit too spicy,
Because
wasn't
the
it?
sauce is a bit too hot for me. I feel like whenever we get nasi kandar though, it's very hard to find a sauce that's a bit more
I
mild.
basically eat it all. And Emma just has like plain bits of chicken if she can get some.
So here's dessert. This looks amazing.
There's a Milo snow ice.
Milo snow ice. Oh,
It's so big. I feel like this is so much. It was 9 ringgit. I don't know what I was expecting. But
Yeah,
I wasn't
quite
expecting
small
this
lunch.
much.
oh, get it in me.
Sort it out. So we've arrived at Ling Tong Temple. Such a beautiful temple from the looks of it, but it's not
So
the one
bright
that
and
we were.
colourful.
Yeah, it's not the one that we were actually planning on visiting. Oh, they both close at 4 p.m.
So we've got to
So-
make a decision.
We've got about half an hour to look around both temples.
Should we just have a little
I
quick-
think we'll have a quick wander
And then
we'll
carry
have
on.
a quick wander.
I think
Really
it's going to have to be a bit of a
colourful, though.
whistle-stop tour.
Yeah. Oh, there's monkeys on the cliff.
Oh, there's a little bubby one.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought this was books.
Oh,
From a distance, I was like,
a
oh,
bunch of
books.
books. No.
It's tiles. Just stumbled across another temple.
Nam Thiang Tong, I believe. The inside of this one looks really cool.
Look at that big old mushroom head.
Yeah,
It's like Super
like Mario.
Yeah. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the fun. We're off to see the wizard. The wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Where?
Follow the yellow brick road.
Oh. He looks a bit sad, doesn't he? You can see over there, there's like a dragon carved into the stone. That's a bit of a shame.
We made it too late. Well, we didn't make it.
It looks a bit derelict compared to the others, doesn't it?
Yeah, that's a shame. But yeah, never mind.
Right, I think we're going to head back home.
The sun has just, I feel like, hit its peak. So I think it's time to get back.